Dawn breaks. This is the Queen Ant. Sitting atop her throne, she dispenses her workers' orders for the day. They are the same as every day. Search, build, feed. The ants swarm to their appointed tasks, searching for building materials and food to support each other and to feed their queen. They work hard and tirelessly. They are strong and persistent, able to carry many times their own body weight and, once delivered, return to do it again. Their numbers are almost unimaginable. Far more ants than there are people. Though tiny, the ants in the world outweigh the people in the world. They are everywhere. And the sun sets. Tomorrow will bring the dawn. The ruler will give orders, and the same work will begin again.